Hey lovely, so DIY of the week is our front yard rock landscape. If you have a drainage system, then you most certainly want to watch this. So our drainage system is built such that it drains into our front lawn, and as fantastic as that sounds, it also impacts where we actually plant, so our plant area. And what it does is that it causes a lot of slimy, grimy build-up. You also can see to a large extent a buildup of molds, and that could directly impact your respiratory system and cause a lot of allergies. Bacteria, insects, and termites, and all the bad stuff. Definitely not good for a home with kids, right? And so we started off by clearing the whole area. It usually has a lot of grass, so we started off by clearing it. So you can see my husband is also using the hammer, which is not the most appropriate tool, but pardon us, to actually clear the path. We're looking to add the black rocks as an outer layer, and then we go in with the white landscape rocks, and you can easily find them at Home Depot or Canadian Tire for all my folks in Canada, and for those not, any store that sells homeware or landscape materials, you most definitely find. So each bag goes for $13 per bag. So yeah, I find that reasonably priced, but also depends on the quantity or the amount of bags that you're using. But yeah, pretty much the same price with the black and the white bag, and we use the Yukon Snow for both. There you have it. These are the white ones. The black ones are also similar.
You call me crazy now, but you don't understand.
So we started off with hitting the black stones with a hammer, really just a way to reinforce and ensure that the stones stay intact irrespective of the weather. As you can see, you'd have to create a pathway just to make that a lot easier. We had to do it one by one. It's not really that daunting. You probably finish this under like 10 minutes, depending on the size of your landscape for sure. But this took us less than 10 minutes actually. So it was pretty easy to knock it in.
I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? Cause you lit the match.
Right, so after lining the areas with the black stone, we're now filling it out with the white stone. And this is pretty much the easy part. It's essentially just dip it in, and as much as your strength can carry, you can just push the stone in. Just a little bit of strength there just to keep them intact as well. Good thing with the white stones is that once it comes in contact with wet sand, they're pretty stable. They just stick, right? So you don't have to put so much pressure as you would with the black one. Unfortunately, we ran out of the white stones. The 2 bags we bought clearly wasn't enough, so we definitely have to go back for more. The more the better, obviously. So this is day 2 after buying more bags, so pretty much the same exercise. Just fill it all in, make it tightly beautiful, okay? Just so that the white can pop as it should.
You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling.
So we had additional black stones, and we wanted to use it to fill up the edges closer to the wall. And yes, did that look great? Of course. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the DIY of the week, and we're so excited about how this turned out. Now, this is not only for aesthetics, but also helps with maintaining our front lawn so it doesn't look tacky at all. So yeah, go ahead and try it out.
Now to you, can you hear a thing?